This video explains you how to define variables and enter data in SPSS. As you know, SPSS data editor, this is what we call as SPSS data editor, has got two views. One is the variable view and the data view. So we define variables in variable view window and we enter data in data view window. So to illustrate, I have chosen a questionnaire which got 6 questions, and with that example we'll enter or we define variables in SPSS. So this questionnaire has got variables like gender, age, account type, and how often you use banking, average call answer time, and speed of conducting operations. So our first option is gender. So here in the name of the variable we need to enter our question, that is first variable name, that is gender. And while entering names in the variables, first thing is, the thing that you need to keep in memory is the name should start with a character like alphabet, and there should not be any blank spaces within the variable name. Next, once you have entered the name of the variable, second is type. So it has got a various options in a type. Either it is a numeric, comma, dot, scientific notation, date, dollar, currency, etc. And even though we have a gender here, it is easy for us to enter inputs like 1 and 2 instead of male and female. So as we are entering 1 and 2, so we define this as a numeric. Next is a width. Width is the size, the maximum size that we can enter. So in our case width is 8, and decimal values, if you want a decimal values or no decimal values, but here in our case we don't need any decimal values, so put this into 0. And the label is an excellent option in SPSS, which actually where you can define your variable name in length, and whatever you write here in a label column, that appears when you run analysis. So here we write gender of the respondents. So we enter the label name as gender of the respondents, and to view it fully you can simply hold it and drag. And now values are your input variables. So when we are talking about a gender has got two options. One is a male and second one is female. So if someone enters 1, it is a male. If it is 2, it is a female. So value is 1, and for 1 it is male. Once you define your value 1 and male, click add, and second 2 female, then click add, click OK. So missing values, this when your data is missed, you can define how it need to be calculated, and a column length and alignment, if you want it to right align or left align or a center align. So we say we want it to center align. Then measure, this is nominal scale, and it's an input variable. Now once you define your variable 1, we'll see how it appears in the data view. So in a data it appears as a gender, and here you can give an input of a 1 for a male, second respondent 2. So here rows are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are cases, or these are called as the respondents. Now we go to the next. So here age, So next variable is age numeric, and here we put 0, and we give a label as age of the respondents. How you define your age? So 1 is right below 18, click add, and 2 18 to 28, or I'll make 19 to 28, add is 3 29 to 38, and click add, and 4 above, so 38, add. Once you have added all your variables, click OK, and again it's in nominal scale, alignment we want center. Now we look at another variable. So how often do you use banking? So for this we name it as a usage, variable name as usage. We're giving a numerics only, and we don't need any decimal values. And here you can enter the total question. So you simply copy this. How often do you use telephone banking? That is your usage. Come here and paste. And you give the values. Value 1 regularly, add value 2 once in a week, add value 3 once in a month, add, and value 4 then never, add. Once you define all, then click OK, and alignment center, left or right, whatever you wish. Now go to the data view. So here gender, we have age group of the respondents 2 and 3, usage 1 and 2. So this is how we define variables and enter data in SPSS.